In this problem, it says in triangle ABC, angle A is 30, angle C is 90, and the point D lies on AC such that BDC is 45 degrees. They also tell us that AB has a length of 8 square root of 3. So we want to determine the exact area of triangle ABD. So here's what this looks like. Angle C is 90 degrees. Here's point B up here. Angle D is over here. So D is 45, A is 30. Now, for the moment, let's ignore D. So here we have 8 square root of 3. And so this makes up a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. So that means if the hypotenuse is 8 square root of 3, the short side, which is opposite 30, is half that. So this is 4 square root of 3. And then that means that this right here is going to be this times square root of 3. So 4 square root of 3 times square root of 3, that's going to equal 12, because square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3, times the 4 gives us that 12. All right, now to figure out this, because what we want is we want the area of triangle ADC, so we need 1/2 the base times the height. Now the height we know. The height is 4 square root of 3. Even though the base is over here, that's how high above the base it goes. But we need to figure out the base. And all we know is this. However, this part D, this point D, helps us, because this is 45 degrees, which means this is also 45 degrees. So now we have 4 square root of 3 right there. So what is this length? Well, this is 12 minus 4 radical 3. And we want it exactly, so we're not going to use a decimal, we're just going to write it this way. So we've got our base, we've got our height, so we can find our area. So 1/2 the base, so 12 minus 4 square root of 3 times the height, 4 square root of 3. We're going to multiply the 1/2 onto that 4 over there. So we have 1/2 minus 4 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 3. So now we'll distribute this. So 12 times 2 radical 3 is 24 radical 3. And minus 4 times 2 is 8. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. So we'll write this as 24 square root of 3 minus 24. And there is our exact answer for the area. And we're done.